Moving on, viewers, Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal has said that TMC Chief and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has extended support to his party in the upcoming Delhi Assembly election. Take a look.
The national capital is all set to go to polls on the 5th of February. The Aam Aadmi Party is pushing hard for a third term, while the BJP is going all out to turn the tables. As the race to the polls heats up, the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal has said that Trinamool Congress has extended its support to his party for the Delhi polls. Taking on platform X, Kejriwal said that he was personally grateful to Mamata Banerjee for her support.
देखिए, हम लोग तो आप हमारा दोस्त पार्टी है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ममता जी को रेस्पेक्ट करता है और ममता जी अरविंद केजरीवाल को पसंद करता है, और हम लोग चाहते हैं दिल्ली में भाजपा हार जाए और फिर से जो स्थिति है, जो गवर्नमेंट है, वो फिर से पावर में आ जाए। लेकिन इसका इक्वेशन में क्या क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, ये ममता जी फाइनली वो जो डिसीजन होगा ममता जी वो आपको बता देंगे।
Meanwhile, BJP has launched a fresh attack at the India Alliance. The party has raised speculations over the continuing rifts in the opposition alliance.
आज टीएमसी जो इंडिया अलायंस की साथी है, उन्होंने कहा कि हम आम आदमी पार्टी को समर्थन करते हैं। उन्होंने वहां पर भी समर्थन ले लिया जिन लोगों ने उज्जैन महाकाल लोक में हो रही पूजा का मजाक उड़ाया। पर सवाल ये भी बनता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी और आम आदमी पार्टी दोनों इंडिया अलायंस में है। समाजवादी पार्टी और तृणमूल कांग्रेस दोनों ही कांग्रेस के प्रति, राहुल गांधी के प्रति अविश्वास प्रकट कर रहे हैं और आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ जुड़ रहे हैं। इसका मतलब कि बहुत जल्द क्या कांग्रेस की विदाई होने वाली इंडिया अलायंस से? ये कैसा रिश्ता है? इंडिया अलायंस में ये सब एक साथ दिल्ली में एक दूसरे के खिलाफ।
While the BJP and the AAP are fighting to secure the national capital, the fate of the Congress in the India Alliance continues to hang in balance.
And viewers, it's not just the Trinamool Congress. The Aam Aadmi Party has also gained the support of major Indie bloc parties, including the Shiv Sena and the Samajwadi Party for the upcoming polls. Let's go across to Harsha, my colleague, who's joining us live on the bulletin. Harsha, very good morning to you. Do you think it's a pro-Aam Aadmi Party stance that the indie parties are taking, or is it the anti-Congress stance which the Aam Aadmi Party is gaining from?
So I think it's both the ways, because now Arvind Kejriwal is tightening his knuckle as far as the Delhi election is concerned. Now, Arvind Kejriwal reached out to all its indie bloc partners by clearly stating that he wants the support in the campaigning from all the indie bloc parties, because he himself supported all of them when the elections were in their respective states. Like, for example, when there was election in Maharashtra, Arvind Kejriwal campaigned for Shiv Sena UBT, and when there was in Jharkhand, Arvind Kejriwal campaigned for JMM, and now it's the high time. The battle is of stake, and that is the reason Arvind Kejriwal are asking all of them to support Arvind Kejriwal and go against Congress. As far we have seen in Delhi, the rift between Aam Aadmi Party and Congress seems to be increasing, and that is the reason now we have gotten to know at least two major parties like TMC and Shiv Sena UBT have now confirmed that they will be supporting Arvind Kejriwal in the present Delhi elections, and also the leaders will be arriving in national capital to campaign for him. This clearly states that how there's a rift between these alliance partners and Congress. For example, now Shiv Sena UBT will be campaigning for Aam Aadmi Party but not for Congress, and likewise Mamata Banerjee since long has the relation between Congress and Mamata Banerjee, the Congress and TMC have not been right. It has always been a sour fruit between them, the relation between Mamata Banerjee and the High Command of Congress, and Mamata Banerjee will be campaigning in national capital for Arvind Kejriwal but not for Congress. So this clearly states that there's a rift in Indie Party. None of the parties can align together. They can come on a common platform together. So clearly what we see here is that some of them might be supporting Congress, but yes, TMC and Shiv Sena UBT seem to be going against Congress and supporting Arvind Kejriwal. Now it's a high-stake battle, much more controversy and much more things will be seen in in the coming days in Delhi. But for now, this clearly states that Arvind Kejriwal has been reaching out to indie bloc partners, and clearly other parties' support is with Arvind Kejriwal, as right now in Delhi also several times and the against of the Aam Aadmi Party, the grand old parties clearly be seen going since the very first day of the campaign. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Harsha, for joining us and sharing those details with us. For now, viewers, let's move on.